Is your 2012 Mazda 6 alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door or hood switches, key fob problems, and a weak battery. First, check all door and hood switches. These microswitches can corrode or stick, sending false signals. A multimeter set to ohms can test if a switch is stuck closed, reading 0 ohms when it should be infinite. Secondly, replace your key fob battery, typically CR2032. Weak batteries often cause signal dropouts that trigger the alarm. Try resetting the fob by pressing the lock button twice, then holding the unlock button. Finally, check your car battery's voltage with a voltmeter. It should be above 12.4 volts. A low battery can cause erratic alarm behavior. If quick fixes fail, perform a standard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears the ECU's memory. For advanced resets, use an OBD2 scanner with software like Torque Pro to reprogram the alarm module. If switch failures are the problem, replace them. OEM Mazda switches cost $20 to $50 online. Persistent issues may require software updates through Mazda dealerships via OBD2. For humid climates causing corrosion, try aftermarket alarm modules or professional diagnostics for ECU issues.